Hey folks, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tanya and you're watching A Mistletoe Wish. So folks, today is December 10 and it's the third episode of my Vlogmas series. I know I'm a little bit late because I was really busy with some of my own stuff, and let's not talk about it and go straight into the video. So yeah, today I'm going to share the Christmas gift ideas, actually the thoughtful Christmas gift ideas for your loved ones. And yeah, we all know that Christmas is all about those sugary stuffs, Christmas gifts, Christmas movies and all that festive vibe. So whatever the gift ideas I have mentioned in this video are divided into 5 major categories. So there is something for everyone, whether they are kids, men, women or parents. There is something for everyone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yeah, here comes the very first category, that is of stationeries. So in stationeries there are wide range of collections. So the very first I would like to include are the notepads, journals, planners. These days planners are very popular, of course. To-do list. So you can gift it to someone because being a creator, whenever I have to do anything, I just love to write each and everything in my diary or in a notepad. I really need to write somewhere. If you are doing journaling, then it's a great way of tracking your mental and physical health. So I think these are really thoughtful ideas. The other things in the stationery category could be like sketch pens, highlighter pens, and if somebody is really passionate about calligraphy, they would appreciate such kind of gifts. So you can give them the different kind of calligraphic pens. So yeah, these could be the things. Books, sketchbooks or mandala art. I had read it somewhere that mandala art is really helpful as a therapy. So yeah, you can gift somebody and help somebody with their mental health as well. So the other thing that can be in the stationery category could be the books. So if talking about children, you can gift them any kind of illustrated books or motivational business books, and also how can I forget to mention this, cookbooks and those baking books are everybody's favorite. Those decoration books, they're really amazing. So you can gift these things in stationery categories. So the second category is of subscriptions. So yeah, if talking about entertainment subscription, you can gift the Netflix subscriptions, Amazon Prime subscription, Disney Plus, Hotstar, and there are a lot many more. Somebody is passionate about graphic designing or loves to do video editing and video creation and are involved in some kind of creativity, you can give them the subscription of Adobe softwares like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro. Yeah, there are tons of ideas. So you can simply go Google it and you can just you can gift some kind of subscriptions to your loved ones. The third category that comes to my mind is clothing, of course, because whether it's normal days or it's festival season, clothing is just an important part. Yeah, so I'm here talking about the Christmas themed clothing. So you can gift somebody those sweatshirts, sweaters, Christmas sweaters, of course, those matching pajamas and night suits. So the fourth category that comes here in the list is the knitted accessories. Now if you know this art of knitting or if you can learn from YouTube, then I think it's best. You can gift somebody the knitted mug holders these days. It's easy to make also. You can learn from the YouTube. The knitted hairbands or socks. Yeah, these are superb ideas. You gift somebody, and if you're going to give it to your parents or your moms, your grandmothers, they would definitely appreciate that. Yes, you can also gift the knitted socks, scarves or caps. Look, they are just amazing gift ideas. So here comes the fifth category and also obviously the last one in our list, that is cakes and baking accessory. So yeah, we all know that Christmas is all about those sugary stuff. So if you can bake for someone, you can gift the cakes, cupcakes, brownies, chocolate bars, yeah, treat boxes, these are the amazing options. But if you don't want to gift any kind of food item, you can go with the baking dishes, like those ceramic baking dishes, glass cloche, turntables, and also the cake stand. If you get into any of the category, you will find something for everyone. So yeah, this was all about my Christmas gift ideas. I hope these ideas are really helpful for you. You know, if you have some more ideas, you can mention in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. And also, if you still haven't subscribed my channel, go subscribe it because it's completely free. So yeah, we will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye, stay safe and stay happy.